The Meghalaya Human Rights Commission today decided to close down the case on the complaint against former East Khasi Hills SP Rituraj Ravi that he had tried to forcefully evict a lady from Riboy, Bindas Aim, who was tagging hunger strike at a parking lot near Additional Secretariat on the night of June 9th. Talking to reporters, Justice T. Vaipai said that neither the complainant nor the aggrieved person turned before the commission when the case was called on for hearing at 11:30 a.m. He further said that in the absence of the complainant or the aggrieved person, the case cannot proceed with effectively. Under the circumstances, they have no alternative but to close the case.
What was the submission before the commission?
He totally denied the allegations. So we call upon the complainant to produce the aggrieved person to substantiate the case. But as I said earlier, neither the complainant nor the aggrieved person appear before us, though they were sufficiently given notice for their appearance.
UDP leader and MD